Greetings and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4 who would like to present a topic about differentiation, and I would like to introduce our group members. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hazrina binti Husin. Registration number is 07 DKM 22F1059. Next is Muhammad Hazlami, Dev Vikal, and Muhammad Khairul Hafiz.
We're moving on to the very first step with given equation y equal to 2x to the power of 3 minus 3x to the power of 2. In this case, we have to find the value of x with y equal to 2x to the power of 3 minus 3x to the power of 2. In this given equation, we have to differentiate by applying dy over dx equal to 6x to the power of 2 minus 6x, and then 0 equal to 6x to the power of 2 minus 6x. We have to differentiate until we get the answer x equal to 1 and x equal to 0.
So, the second step is, after we find x, now we have to find the value of y. So, let x equal to 1 and insert to the given equation, which is y equal to 2 bracket 1 to the power of 3 minus 3 bracket 1 to the power of 2, and the value of y is equal to negative 1. After that, let x equal to 0, y equal to 2 bracket 0 to the power of 3 minus 3 bracket 0 to the power of 2, and the final answer for y is 0.
In this step 3, before we are getting into the graph, we must set the stationary point. Hence, the stationary point is 1, negative 1, 0, 0.
Now, I'm going to explain about step 4, which is determine the nature for the equation to sketch the graph. So basically, nature is about you have to differentiate the equation that you just differentiate from step 1, which is 6x squared minus 6x. So the dy over dx is 12x minus 6. So you just got the value of x's in step 1, which is x1 equals to 1 and x2 equals to 0. So substitute the value of x1 and x2 into the equation. So the first is if x equals to 1, so 12 times 1 is 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 is larger than 0, and that's going to be your minimum point for the graph. Next is x equals to 0. So if x equals to 0, 12 times 0 is 0 and minus 6 is equals to negative 6. So negative 6 is smaller than 0. So that's going to be the maximum point for the graph. Hence, the minimum point for the graph is 6 and the maximum point for the graph is negative 6.
After determining the nature, now we're moving into step 5, which is we are going to create a table for the graph based on the stationary point and the value that we already defined. So the table for x is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, while for y is negative 28, negative 5, 0, negative 1, and 4.
Hello everyone, now moving to step 6. In this step, we are going to sketch the graph based on the table that we already plot. So this is what it looks like after the sketch. In this graph, we have the maximum and the minimum point based on the equation given. That's all from our group. Thank you very much to teacher and fellow friends. That's all from our group presentation. If there are any question, just DM one of us, Hazrina, Hazlami, Dev, and Khairul Hafiz. Thank you everyone.